Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick cleaning of a keyboard. I bought this Poker 2 on r/mech market, and I got it in. And while I'm not going to do an unboxing for you, I got it in and I noticed the keys are a little bit dirty, showing a little bit of grime and stuff in there. So what I thought I'd do is give it a wash. So I went on to Our Mechanical Keyboards and checked out Ripster's guide, how he suggests that we do this, and he said the best way is with denture cleanser. So these, as this says, compared to Efferdent, is a Walgreens knockoff of Efferdent. Costs about $5 for 90 tablets. Now I don't need 90 tablets, but I am going to grab this bowl here and I'm going to fill it up. It suggests with, it says warm water. 1 tablet into very warm water. That's about a cup. Because I've got a big bowl like this, I think I'm going to use 3 to 4 of these things. And yeah, let's get underway. See how it goes. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just grab my key puller. I've got a spare key puller, one of those if this one starts to frustrate me. But just going to pull all the keys off. So here we go. Huh, that too. So that's something interesting I've just learned, is that this doesn't have any of the riser bars in it. It's all done with Cherry MX switches. Neat. Anyways, there you go. That's a stripped board. I'm just going to get some water and get this underway. Okay, so according to these instructions here, I've filled this with hot water. It's just tap hot. It's not that hot. It's not going to melt my keys. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab some of these and drop them in. Now, these should start fizzing right away. And what we're going to do, as soon as it's the first one fizzing. It's the second one. I'll get it in there. Oh, I hope my caps come out smelling minty fresh like that. And the third one. There we go. Now I'm just going to take my keycaps and chuck them all in. Okay, they're all in there. According to these instructions, we wait until blue color fades to clear. And at that point, the dentures are clean. Well, in this case, keycaps. But it's pretty much the same. We're going to wait until these are done, until this goes clear. And once it has, then we'll wait another couple minutes and then take them out, essentially. All right. Back in a flash. Okay, so the liquid has gone clear here, you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the bowl away and I'm going to rinse the keycaps. Basically, you want to rinse them a couple of times so that they're rinsed. All right, back in a flash. Okay, so as you can see here, I've rinsed them out a couple times. I kind of use the egg method where when you take a boiled egg and you kind of leave it in the thing and then you rinse it and then you add more water and then you dump it out. Anyways, I rinsed it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab this drying mat that I happen to have here and yeah, basically lay them all out and let them all dry. And in a completely unnecessary move, I'm just going to wipe the tops just to make sure that it doesn't leave any rings if there is any dirt left over, which I'm sure at this point there isn't, but all the same, I'm going to do it anyway. Hey guys, so I've left this overnight to dry out. Because of the way the switches and the way the stems work, it traps little pockets of water in there. So I actually went through and blew each of them out, trying to dry them as much as I could, but then decided to leave them overnight. And so here we are the next morning, and I'm just going to slot them back into my board. Last key to put on here, it's my space bar, and I'm one of those guys who puts the space bar on backwards, so you can see that's the right way around, that's the backwards way around. I'm just going to pop that on there because that's the way my thumbs, that's the right angle for my thumbs when I'm using my keyboard. If that makes sense. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget you can subscribe and check out all the videos that I'm up to at the minute. Check out my other projects. If you particularly enjoyed this project, you can buy me a coffee in the About section below. Any other information, of course, is available in the About section below, including links to any of the places and stuff that I've talked about. And I'll put up some links to where you can buy your own Poker 2, to where you can get these denture cleansers and other things. And I'm going to start typing using this right away. Thanks very much.